Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to understand and describe the drainage system, drainage basin, and drainage patterns. Understand and describe the drainage or river system of the Himalayan rivers. Understand and describe the drainage or river system of the Peninsular Rivers. Understand and describe the importance of lakes and rivers. Understand and describe the river pollution and its causes. Drainage systems in India. The main river, its tributaries and streams form a network of flowing water, which is called the drainage or river system of the main river. An area drained by a single river system is called its drainage basin. Drainage patterns. Depending on the slope of the land, rock structure beneath and the climatic conditions of an area, 4 different kinds of drainage patterns are formed. Smaller streams join the tributaries, which join the main river later. They form a pattern similar to a branching tree. This is called Dendritic tree-shaped pattern. In a trellis drainage pattern, the primary tributaries flow parallel to each other, and the sub-tributaries meet them at right angles, forming a trellis-like pattern. This pattern occurs where hard and soft rocks exist parallel to each other. In a rectangular drainage pattern, the main river bends at right angles and is joined by its tributaries too at right angles, creating rectangular patterns. This pattern is formed when the river flows over. A radial drainage pattern develops when streams flow in different directions from a central peak or a dome. Himalayan Rivers. The Indian rivers are divided into 2 major groups. 1. The Himalayan Rivers. 2. The Peninsular Rivers. Himalayan Rivers. The Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra are 3 major Himalayan rivers. They are perennial in nature. The Indus River System. Indus, also called the Sindhu, is 2,900 kilometers long. It enters India from Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir. Joined by major tributaries Shyok, Zaskar, Hunza and Nubra, it flows into Baltistan and Gilgit and emerges from the mountains near Attock. Rivers Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum merge at various points and join the Indus in Pakistan. Hereafter, the river flows southwards and drains into the Arabian Sea. Most part of the Indus River system lies in Pakistan. The Ganga River System. River Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier. It is joined by the Alaknanda at Devprayag, wherefrom it takes on the name Ganga. Its major Himalayan tributaries are rivers Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. Chamba, Betwa and Son are its major tributaries from the peninsular uplands. Joined by these tributaries, the Ganga flows eastwards till Farraka, West Bengal, where it bifurcates into Hooghly and Padma. Hooghly flows southwards and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Padma flows into Bangladesh, where it is joined by the Brahmaputra. Eventually, it drains into the Bay of Bengal. The length of River Ganga is 2,500 kilometers. The Brahmaputra River System. The Brahmaputra rises in Nepal Himalayas. Flowing parallel to the Himalayas, it takes a U-turn at Namcha Barwa and enters Arunachal Pradesh. It is called Dihang at this point. After major tributaries like Dibang and Lohit join it, it takes the form of Brahmaputra in Assam. Peninsular Rivers. Since peninsular rivers are rain-fed, they are seasonal in nature. These rivers are shallower and shorter compared to Himalayan rivers. Narmada Basin. The Narmada River originates in the Amarkantak Hills, Madhya Pradesh. It flows westward and passes by the Marble Rocks near Jabalpur. Its tributaries are very short and join it at right angles. The Narmada Basin covers a large area of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Tapi Basin. The Tapi River rises in the Satpura Ranges located in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. It flows westward. It drains into the Bay of Bengal. Most of the Tapi River basin lies in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Godavari Basin. It originates in the Nasik district of Maharashtra state. It passes through Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh and forms delta in the Bay of Bengal. It is 1,500 kilometers long. Almost half of the basin lies in Maharashtra. The remaining part lies in Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Its tributaries include rivers Purna, Vardha, Pranhita, Manjra, Vainganga and Penganga. Mahanadi Basin. The 860 kilometers long river Mahanadi rises in Chhattisgarh and flows eastwards to drain into the Bay of Bengal. Its drainage basin is spread into the states of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. Krishna Basin. The Krishna River originates from a spring near Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. It is 1,400 kilometers long and flows into the Bay of Bengal. Its major tributaries include the Tungabhadra, the Koyna, the Ghat Prabha, the Musi and the Bhima. Its drainage basin is spread in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Kaveri Basin. The Kaveri River originates in the Brahmagiri range in the Western Ghats and drains into the Bay of Bengal. The 760 kilometers long Kaveri River is joined by rivers Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kabini. Its drainage basin partly covers the states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Lakes, rivers and pollution. Lakes. Lakes are formed by the actions of glaciers, ice sheets, wind, river and humans. An oxbow lake. When a meandering river flowing across a flood plain gets cut off from the main stream, it takes the shape of a lake resembling an oxbow. Lagoons. Spits and bars form a lagoon. Chilika and Pulicat lakes are examples of lagoons. Glacial lake. When a glacier moves, it erodes and makes depressions in the surface. The snow melt fills these depressions, forming glacial lakes. Lakes are also formed while damming rivers for generation of hydel power. Guru Gobind Sagar Lake, Bhakra Nangal Dam is an example. Importance of lakes. Lakes prevent flooding during rainy season and maintain an even flow of water during dry season. They are used to produce hydel power. They also maintain aquatic life and beautify the surroundings. Role of rivers in the economy. All ancient civilizations have developed by the riverside. Rivers are used for navigation, irrigation, hydel power generation, etc. River pollution. The heavy demand for water for industrial, domestic, municipal and agricultural purposes has reduced the volume of water in the rivers. Untreated sewage and industrial effluents emptied into rivers affect its quality and reduce the self-cleansing capacity of the river. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The main river, its tributaries and streams form a network of flowing water, which is called the drainage or river system of the main river. The four different kinds of drainage patterns are dendritic, trellis, rectangular, and radial. The Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra are three major Himalayan rivers. Most part of the Indus River system lies in Pakistan. River Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier. The Brahmaputra rises in Nepal Himalayas. Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri are important peninsular rivers. Oxbow lakes are formed by rivers and glacial lakes are formed by glaciers. Lakes and rivers are important for an economy.